To set the occlusion, first we need to define the occlusal plane, which can either be done on the upper jaw, as shown here, or the lower jaw, which is more common. Different perspectives are shown here to help you. The current occlusal plane is indicated by this blue line. On the right-hand side of the window, we have the instructions, which can be shown or hidden at any time depending on the knowledge of the user. The text here always tells you what needs to be done for the current step. In this case, the goal is to set the occlusal plane by placing 4 markers. This is done by first clicking on the distobuccal cusp tips of the lower 7s to mark them. I'm going to turn the model around to check it from a different angle and zoom in by scrolling with the mouse wheel. On tooth 7, the cusp tip has already slightly deteriorated, but it's still easy to find. And now we'll place markers for the lower incisors with 2 clicks. One to the right and one to the left. Then this triangle expands, which shows us our occlusal plane. I'm going to now go back into full screen mode and check that everything is correct. Again, I can see exactly where I've placed the markers. This triangle looks pretty good, and they're centered exactly on the central fissures. When we're satisfied, we can click the menu at the bottom of the screen to continue. This bar shows the sub-steps that we're working through, and below them are the 4 main process steps that need to be completed. It helps us to see where we currently are in the process. You can see by the small hourglass next to the mouse on the screen, and from the text calculation in progress, that DentaMile Connect is working on the model. When the calculation is complete, the model is placed in the articulator. In this case, you don't see the actual articulator itself, but red and yellow dots that symbolize the condyles, or jaw joints. And with that, we've finished setting up our model in the virtual articulator.